Today is Friday, January 18th. I'm recording for January 22nd, 21st being a Monday is a holiday. So now first let's go ahead and take a look at these indexes. The first one I'm showing is S&P. S&P is now comfortably trading above this 1472 level. This is the level I was closely watching to see if it actually this level makes a resistance as being it's a double top. I guess it seems like it's comfortably trading above. Today it went up by just 5 points. So the next level I would be looking at is the 1507. 1507 I will be more cautious because I think it is actually showing a confluence of two different levels, the AB and the BC level projections. So I think I'll be looking for that, and I think according to my experience, most of the times prices do tend to show some resistance at that level and then they reverse it. So let's watch 1507. So the next one is I'm going to show I guess let's see Dow. Dow I think is at 13,649. It's already trading above the 62 level. So the next level which I would be watching is this 13,756. So that's only like probably another just about 107 points from here. So let's wait for this on Tuesday. The next one I'll show is a QM. QM's targets are the first level of targets at least are that. Let's see. First level of targets is between 62 and 79%. That's 98 to 102, and that's what I'm first expecting it. And then let's go through a few of these stocks. The first stock I wanted to show is Morgan Stanley. They just announced their earnings today. Really solid earnings, and I'm holding positions in Morgan Stanley today. Their stock, their actual options went up quite a bit. Let's look at it, the weekly chart. The weekly chart is the one which I'm actually focusing on it, and I got in quite a few weeks ago. I think the target on this is I have actually 23 calls, 23 calls, and right now it's trading at 22.47. So my hope is that it would get to this 21.87 and $24. But I think once my calls go in the money, probably I'll try to take out some. The next one I wanted to show is a Caterpillar. Let's just look at the Goldman Sachs since we are on the financials. So I think I showed this stock a couple of times. Let's look at this stock from the weekly side because weekly has a pretty solid ABC, and I've been posting this for quite some time. This is one of my favorite stock to trade it, and so the next target zones in this Goldman Sachs from the weekly perspective is between $146 and $162, and their earnings have just came, I guess, January 16th, and so I'm still expecting it to reach this 146 first and then probably move into the next zone, which is up to 162. Then let's look at I do not have a position on this, and I've been watching this. I actually particularly do not care for stocks which have which have the ABCs which are beyond 100% of it. Actually, not even 100. I actually use only up till 88.6. But this stock seems to be it's making some waves, and it's been moving up in the last few sessions. Again, this has a kind of a double bottom, but I'm not in this trade at all. Then let's look at Seagate. Seagate is a secondary version of ABC, which is on the top side of the Bollinger Band. Sorry, on the top side of the fib bands, and here it's actually reaching to its target of a $36 and $38. So let's look at the next one. Is Las Vegas Sands, LVS. Las Vegas Sands is also, it reaches secondary price targets, which is between 53.87 to $58. So I'm still thinking that this stock has some more strength, and I believe it will actually reach its the next price zone in that. And let's move to open text. OpenText is actually the pretty good ABC. Been in this for the last probably last 6-7 weeks. So the earnings for this is also on January 24th. So that's another thing which I'm watching it. The targets, it is in its first target zone already between 58 and 60. The next target zones will be much higher, probably about 66 to 67. But I do expect it to probably, once it reaches its once it completes its first target zone, it may also see some type of a retracement before it continuing higher. And this is the one I somehow missed it. I've traded this stock last year a couple of times. This stock I do not have a position right now, but I'm watching this. This is the CRE. Here it's actually trading. It actually traded in its secondary target already, but now it's coming down. So, but today it showed some type of a strength again. That means that the stock may again go back into it. If it really trades here, and if it really shows any strength, the stock may move even much higher. Let's look at one more. Xilinx. This is the one I've been trading it for quite some time. They just posted pretty good earnings just yesterday, and today it went up by $1.52, and right now it is at 100% of its range, which is 37. So the targets would be on this is about $39 to $41. And in fact, I am actually trading the Xilinx $39 calls. So let's look at Oracle. Here is Oracle. Oracle has a long way to for its for its earnings, which is on March 19th. So now currently just reached its first target zone, but I expect Oracle to even trade much higher in the next coming months. Let me go ahead and show one more. Cena. This is the one which I avoided it. I think I was just because somebody asked me about a question about Cena, so I thought that I would post it in this. As I said, I do not trade stocks which went beyond 100% of its range. When it goes beyond 100% and up till about 100 and I guess up till 127, you could still consider it as a kind of ABC, but you can trade it. But I would not trade it like using the ABC principles. So, but that's what I thought I would show you if anybody's trading it. The targets may be between $57 and $62 for Cena. Okay, I think that may be it. Then let me actually show you a couple of things which are on a weekly charts. Let's just see this Autodesk. I don't have a position in Autodesk. I kind of missed it because of for some other reason in Autodesk, which is the daily chart didn't look that good, but its weekly chart was pretty good. But I guess the weekly targets would be between $39 and $43. And then next is Akamai. This is also a weekly chart. Weekly again, Akamai is looking pretty good for the ABCs, so I guess the target range would be 46 to 54. This one I actually traded from the short side when it fell quite a bit in the I guess in the middle of 2012 onwards. So that's when I had an ABC bearish trigger at the time. If you go back in my archives, you guys can probably see that too. But I think ANF right now it's actually showing a bullish reversal. Some of these retail stocks, I guess the clothing-based retail stocks are doing pretty well. This one, and let's see if we can show the Coach, which is also this is again in a bullish pattern. Coach is there, and then there's another one is Ralph Lauren. This is also solidly in an ABC bullish pattern. Let's see, how is it Tiffany? I haven't seen Tiffany stock for a while. Wow. It looks like I missed the entry here. If I would have seen this, I would have probably traded it. But anyway, the targets would be $66 and $69. Well, that's it, guys. I'll continue to post a few other videos over the weekend. I'll try to post it. But have a good weekend.